In this video, we are going to revise Industries of Madhya Pradesh. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for MP exam YouTube channel. So let's begin. Historical textile industry. 19th century Holkar state mills. Holkar rulers established state mills for the textile industry. Indore had 7 mills: Rajkumar, Hope Textile, Hukum Chand, Swadeshi, Indore Malwa, and Bhandari Kalyan. Hukumchand Mill, Shivnath Camp was largest. Indore called Manchester of Madhya Pradesh due to highest textile mills. Hukumchand Mills, established 1915 by Sir Sheth Hukumchand. Ownership Hukumchand plus Rajkumar Mill. Closure 20 December 1991. Economic reason 1980s decline. Artificial fiber industry started in 1947. Gwalior Rayon and Silk Company, Gwalior. Note: some sources mentions 1949 to 50. Nagda unit Ujjain. Rayon plant established in 1954. Major public sector and defense industries. BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Established 1964. Bhopal, UK collaboration. Maharatna status 2013 was given. It was asked in MBBS prelims question. Opium processing and alkaloid plant, Neemuch. Opium processing since 1st April 1935. Alkaloid production started 6 October 1976. India's second such plant. Ammunition unit. Malanpur Bhind, under construction. Joint venture Israel Weapons Industries plus Punj Lloyd. Ordnance factories Itarsi Narvadapuram. 1969 to 70 produces propellant. DRDO IGMDP. Khamaria Jabalpur 1943 during World War II for army transport. Vehicle factory Jabalpur 1969 for army transport. Katni 1942 non-ferrous rolled extruded product brass cartridge cases. Gun carriage factory Jabalpur 1904 oldest in Madhya Pradesh, produces Dhanush 155 mm. Grey iron foundry 1972 Czechoslovakia collaboration. Grey SG iron casting. Optical fiber plant Mandidev Raisen, first in India. Japan collaboration. Dry ports and export infrastructure. First dry port Pithampur Dhar, established in 1994. India's first greenfield SEZ special economic zone, also in Pithampur. Malanpur ICD for Bhind industrial area in Morena district. Natrex in Dhar district, Pithampur. Asia's longest, world fifth largest high-speed track system are developed here under Natrib, Ministry of Heavy Industries. Small scale and cottage industries. Concentration Bhopal, Indore, Khandwa, Dhar, Bhind, Gwalior, Morena, Narvadapuram. Key small industries: food processing, minerals, basic metals, textile, chemicals, footwear, wood, machinery. Cottage industries: handloom, Chanderi, Maheshwar, Burhanpur, Jabalpur, Shanser. Toys, leather, wood, paper, metal, like jewelry, khazur leaf item. MP State Textile Corporation promotes and loom support weavers. Export trade financial year 2023-24. Total export 65,255 crore, 1.8% of India's export. Top 10 export products: pharmaceuticals rupees 13,158 crore. Food industry residues 6,533 crore. Cotton 4,991 crore. District wise top 10 export: Indore 20,256 crore, Dhar 10,973 crore, Shihor 7,561 crore. Export Preparedness Index API 2022. MP ranks 12th overall, 5th among landlocked state. Score 55.68, improved from previous years. Policy Pillar 98.68, best performance. Food processing in MP, mega food parks, Avanti Devas, Indus Khargon, agro processing clusters, APC, Prasundhar, Dimar Badwani, Bharati Betul, Meghalsuta, Sadapur. Other food parks, Malanpur, Bhind, Jaggakhedi, Mandsaur, Maneri, Mandla, Babai, Piparia in Hoshangabad, now Naradapuram, Boregaon, Chindwada, and Niwadi, Khargon. Horticulture and Food Processing Department, established in 22nd December 2005. Industrial Development Institutions. MP Finance Corporation 1955, headquartered in Indore, finance to private cooperative industries. MP Khadi and Village Industries Board 1960-61, headquartered in Bhopal, promote Khadi. MP Small Industries Corporation 1961, Bhopal, raw material supply marketing. MP Industrial Development Corporation 1965 in Bhopal, medium large industry support. MP State Industries Corporation 1969, Bhopal, cooperative joint sector aid. MP Handloom Directorate 1976, handloom powerloom cooperative. MP Export Corporation 1977, Bhopal, small industry export. MP Handicraft and Handloom Development Corporation 1981, merged. In 1999, Bhopal, cottage industry promotion, district industry centers, all districts, local industry support. Mrignani Emporium promotes Chanderi, Maheswari, Kosa Saris, handicraft outlet Bhopal, Indore, Gwalior, Jabalpur, Rewa, Delhi, Kolkata. Industrial policies. Chronology 1 1972, some sources 1988, 1994 till 2003, 2004 5 years, 2010 5 years, 2014. Common objective: balanced growth, SC/ST women, entrepreneur, rural jobs, heavy industries, dry ports, sage sustainability. Thrust sector 2014 policy. Auto component, textile, tourism, IT, ITES, healthcare, skills, pharma, renewable energy, biotech, logistic, warehousing. MSME and startup ecosystem. MSME classification 2020 amendment. Micro investment rupees 1 crore, turnover rupees 5 crore. Small investment 10 crore, turnover 50 crore. Medium investment 50 crore, turnover 250 crore. Mukhyamantri Udyam Kranti Yojana launched in 5 April 2022. Order 29 November 2021. Loan up to 50 lakh manufacturing, rupees 25 lakh service retail. Eligibility 18 to 45 years, class 8 pass, family income rupees 12 lakh. Startup policy 2016, 2019, 2022 latest. Key facts prelims. First cotton mill Burhanpur 1906 to 7. First sugar mill Jawra Ratlam 1934. First cement plant Banmore Morena 1922 to 23 ACC. Largest sugar mills closed Barlai, Sawer, Indore. Pithampur, Detroit of India. Lag factory in Umaria, government factory. HMT Waj closed in Batul. Sage 6, 1 multi-product Pithampur. 5 IT Indore, Crystal Infosys, TCS, Impetus, and yes, there are 4 IT park like Crystal, Infosys, TCS, Impetus, and Yash. IP Facilitation Center Indore. Textile, Vale, Defense, Dry Ports. Textile legacy. 7 mills in Indore, Manchester of MP. Hukumchand 1915 closed in 1991. Gwalior Rayon 1947 to 49 to 50. Nagda in 1954. Bhel, Bhopal 1964 UK. Maharat 2013. Opium and Alkalite Nimach 1935-1976. Defense Unit Gun Carriage 1904. Khamaria 1943. Katni 1942. Itarsi 1969 to 70. Vehicle 1969. Malanpur Ammo, Israel plus Punj layout. Dry ports, Pithampur 1994 plus Greenfield Sage. Netrex, Asia's longest track. Optical fiber, Mandideep, Japan, first in India. Phase 2, export food parks institutions. Export financial year 24, 65,255 crore. Top pharma, food residue cotton. District Indore, 20,000 Dhar, Sihor. EPI 2022, 12th rank policy score 98.68. Mega food parks Avanti Devas, Indus Khargon. APC Prashun Dhar, Nimar Badwani, etc. Institutions. Finance crop 1955, Khadi 1960, Small India 1961, IDC 1965. Mrignani, handloom, handicraft outlet in 7 cities. Policies 1988, 1994, 2004, 2010, 2014. Auto textile, IT pharma. MSME startup key facts. MSME limit, micro 1 crore, 5 crore. Small 10 crore to 50 crore. Medium 50 crore to 50 crore. Udyam Kranti Yojana, loan up to 50 lakh, 25 lakh, 18 to 45 years, 8th pass. Sage 6, Pithampur multipurpose 5 at in Indore. First, cotton Burhanpur 1906, sugar Javra 1934, cement Bunmore 1922, Pithampur Detroit of India, Japanese Swedish township IPFC Indore. Bhel Maharatna 2013, opium Nimash 1935, Hukumchand closure 1991, Netrex Pithampur export top district Indore. So this is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that this kind of video keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.